Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust the speed on a metronome, and this will be an easy tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So basically adjusting the speed on a metronome like this is really easy to do, and this is a super duper easy instructional video. Okay, now basically I'm just going to open up the metronome. I'm going to take it out so that it starts working, and we're just going to let it start. Okay, I'm going to turn off the dinging sound so that it doesn't sound like annoying all throughout the video, because I'm not actually playing an instrument right now with it, so we don't need the dinging sound. Okay, and you can turn it off anyways. Even if you're playing an instrument, you can use it without the dinging sound if you want, at least for the most part. So yeah, I mean, yeah, most metronomes will allow you to do it with or without a dinging sound. I can't speak for every metronome, but you know, for the most part, you should be able to turn off that dinging sound. Now, as you can see, it's going at a certain speed. Now I'm going to stop it. You see this slider right here? That's how you adjust the speed. Look at how slow it is going right now. And we're going to bring it down. Very fast. Very fast. So that's how you adjust the speed. You take the slider, you put it where you want. Obviously, one direction makes it slower. The other direction makes it faster. Really easy to do. This metronome has like labels in terms of the speed and the wording for like the sort of tempo. But basically, even if your metronome doesn't have labels in terms of the speed or the wording for like what tempo it is, the idea is the same. If you want to speed up or slow down the metronome, you just take the slider and you move it up or down. One direction makes it go fast. One direction makes it go faster. The other makes it go slower. Literally that easy. That is how to adjust the speed on a metronome. Super easy to do. Gave you very simplistic instructions. I tried to keep it really simple. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. But yeah, with that being said, and with me showing you that, hopefully you enjoyed it. But yeah, other than that, I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you for this specific video tutorial. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know what you, let me try that again. I feel like I was rushing. So without further ado, we're gonna nice and calmly roll the outro one last time. So without further ado, for real, I promise, same for the last time, we're going to end the video. Here is the calm outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.